In today's video, we're going to show you how to replace the spray bar on a surface cleaner. It could be a Vortex, BE, or any other brand. At this stage, we're going to take a wrench and put it on the shaft of the swivel to hold it in place. Take another wrench, in this case it happens to be a 17 millimeter, to break free the spray bar from the swivel. And when it's new like this, it spins off relatively easy. So we're going to replace this spray bar with a new one, just like that. To reapply the spray bar, we're going to apply some Teflon tape. Carefully turn the spray bar on, making sure not to cross the threads. So you can see this is a very simple task. We're holding the swivel down below here, turning the spray bar and tightening. Okay, now we're tight. Our swivel's been reinstalled. The swivel is spinning correctly. That's all there is to it.